Assalamualaikum. Yumi Sushi. Yes, what you like, boss?
Crab. So what is without crab? Shrimp.
Tempura maki and ebi maki.
Okay, this is how many pieces?
4 pieces and 8 pieces, boss.
Okay. Can you give me the shrimp?
Yeah.
8 pieces.
Which one shrimp, boss?
What this is? What you have with the shrimp?
Dynamite shrimp like that.
No, dynamite is spicy. No need the spicy.
Much better tempura, boss.
Yeah, tempura.
Okay.
And what's with the what's the other? This is teriyaki.
This one, teriyaki salmon.
Salmon.
Yes.
This is not spicy, yeah?
Yeah, not spicy, boss.
This is spicy.
Yes.
No need the spicy.
No,
And,
this one teriyaki, no spicy, boss.
Okay, give me the 8 pieces.
8 pieces too.
And what you have with cucumber?
With cucumber kappa.
Yeah.
Also maki kappa.
Yes. 8 pieces.
Only this one 6 pieces, boss.
Okay, give me this 6 pieces too, huh?
To order 6 pieces, also kappa.
Yes.
Okay, boss.
Salad, sushi, crab, Adam.
Our salad, boss, is with crab.
This is sendamaki.
Yes. Thank you, boss. Madam, sorry.
This is not spicy karagi.
Yes.
Give me this one.
How many piece, boss?
8 pieces.
8 pieces too.
How many I can order for the sushi?
I repeat your order. Tempura maki 8 pieces, teriyaki salmon 8 pieces, also maki kappa 2 order.
Yeah.
Total 4 and 1 crazy ebi maki 8 pieces.
It's okay. And what you have the salad is good.
Only crab salad, boss.
Only crab salad, huh?
Yes.
The crab salad. It's okay. Give me this is order.
It's okay with the crab salad for you?
No. The salad, crab salad, no need. No.
Okay, because you don't like crab eh.
Yeah. This is I mean without crab. Okay. How much your price?
204, boss.
Okay. What time finish?
Maximum 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, boss, because we make other order.
Name Muhammad. I will come back 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you, boss.
Name Muhammad.
Muhammad. Okay, boss. To you and Jahes.
Okay, I check with you my email.
You can for only takeaway, okay?
Just take away.
Yes, sorry for that. At pagkatapos nga ng mga order ni boss, ito, ginawa na namin partner ang order niya at request niya na mix sushi na no spicy at no crab. At meron nga din na order sa akin dyan na for dine-in at meron din ako ina-assist kaya medyo magalaw yung aking pagkausap kila boss. Dahil meron nga din take order na ba naman sa akin na for dine-in din. Kaya sabi ko, boss, wait lang po at ayusin ko lang po itong phone call at ite-take order ko lang. Kasi nga ako din ang nag-assist sa may dine-in at ako nag-assist sa phone call at pagkatapos ako pa rin ang maggagawa ng sushi roll dito sa loob pagkakuha ko lahat ng mga orders. All around nga di wow, masyado kasi itong kuripot tong amo ko kaya nagtitipid sa empleyado. Kaya eto, all around kaming dalawa ni partner. Cashier ka na, cook ka na, waiter ka pa, at dishwasher pa. Di wow, all around nga Ganyan kaming dalawa rito ni partner sa alisihan. Di naman po ako nareklamo, nasabi ko lang. At gusto pa nga umorder ni bossing ng salad kaya lang sabi ko crab salad lang ang meron kami. Kaya hindi na siya na-order, eto na lang mga mix uramaki na order ni boss na pipick upin na lang niya dahil nga ayaw niya rin to ng spicy na paulit-ulit na sinasabi ko. At syempre pagkatapos namin itong gawin at i-roll isa-serve na rin ni partner to. Yun lang, salamat, thanks for watching, see you my next vlog, love you all, mama, chup chup.